Good morning, birthday boy. This is what I get treated to every morning. Racing around. Yes. Hi. Current favorite toy. Well, the chicken is still a favorite too, but the moose is a big favorite. Yes. Max. 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 Look. Look. Look at this. Come on, he's really cute. Look at the blue guy. Yes. Yay. Uh-oh. Nice. Do you like him? I thought you would. Happy birthday. Good toy. Yes? Good toy. Can I have him? Can I have him? Go on.